With global travel hitting record highs, airports move hundreds of millions of heavy bags every year. Ground crews are stretched to the limit, facing labor shortages and constant pressure to keep operations moving. Journey Robotics is tackling the grueling lifting and hauling that exhausts workers, building autonomous, touchless robots designed to move heavy bags safely, non-stop, and inside tight airport bag rooms. Journey Robotics' path began at the Robotics Factory Create Aviation Summit, where the team forged early industry relationships. From there, they moved through the Robotics Factory Scale Residency and Accelerate programs, and with support from Innovation Works, gained funding, mentorship, and hands-on validation. That support helped Journey Robotics develop and validate a custom robotic gripping system, test it in real baggage operations, and reach beta in under a year. Journey Robotics shows how Pittsburgh's robotics ecosystem helps founders move from concept to commercial deployment fast. Innovation Works, empowering founders building the future of robotics.